really excited about this VR mocap system that we're setting up. As far as I know, it's the first of its kind anywhere.
We're going to be looking at VR simulations and AI in relations to like coordinating human behavior and seeing how that looks like in VR and then in real life as well, and seeing that parallel between the two. It's so cool. It's something I haven't seen ever done before.
We're really interested in cognition across scales, from brains and bodies to two people interacting together. When we bring someone into the lab to try to get control over it normally, that strips away the organic, improvised nature of communication that is really the thing that we want to understand. We have a mocap system around the room. Your full body is being tracked automatically. And then from the VR headsets, we've attached eye trackers and face trackers. This VR system lets us get all of that data at once from multiple individuals and make it highly realistic.
This gives me an advantage in having real experience on real data and real research, and I can definitely get my hands on work that could lead to a meaningful impact in the future.
What the students really get here is a lot of technical skills. They're going to walk out of here with coding skills, as well as using research tools, research methodologies, statistics, and of course, an understanding of the mind and cognition, so they can apply that to a lot of different fields.
I want to be a pediatric neurosurgeon. With my patient population, I hope that I can help them gauge their emotions, help them through treatment protocol. This is like the starting point, a good setup for that process.
We're really opening a door to a lot of new possibilities. Any field where social interaction matters, whether it's education, how teams interact and have effective communication, social disorders and how people might have trouble coordinating with each other and figure out how we can improve. It's exciting. It's so fun for the students that they can kind of walk in here and dream up projects that were never possible before.